Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fill up your arrival information to Bolivia online, which is also called SIGEMIG process. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this SIGMIG uh, migration system homepage. So I had to translate it to English by right clicking. But anyway, from here we'll proceed. So when you come here for the very first time, and let's say you are coming as an individual, so I'm going to click on foreign income. So let's say you are a tourist. You're going to put your name here. Okay. So I'm putting sample. You do it as per your own guess. Document type. I'm sorry. Yeah. John Smith. Last name. Document type. Wow. So many passports. So many options they have. Foreigner card, foreign resident card, citizenship card, crew member booklet. Wow. I select this one. Do it as per your own case. Date of birth. Gender. Nationality. Email and captcha. And then click on register. So I'm going to do this. Then I'm going to see you guys. So guys, what happens is after you do the registration, after you click on register in the previous screen, it tells you what's going to be your document number and password. Okay. So with that, you can proceed. So this is the first time when you come here. Okay. So we can go to declaration. Okay. So when you say lodging center, where are you gonna search? So they have all the information of the hotels. So basically in this, they want to verify, like they want to have the record where you're gonna stay. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Wherever you're gonna stay. Of course, if you have booked, you have this information. And these two details get populated automatically. So let's say you're going 17. And let's say you're gonna stay there for a week. Okay. Photograph of the front of the house. Okay, it was auto-populated. And you can click on register. So then it will be done. Of course, I don't want to register. So that is how it works, guys. And whoever travels there, they have to provide this information. And if you're going to stay at someone's residence, provide that information, their owner, and you have to upload photograph of the front of the house. Okay. Phone number and which dates that you're going to stay. Owner also. In this document holder, number of document holder, you have to provide the document of the owner of the house where they are gonna stay. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.